Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a book or how you can add chapters to your book and how to add the content to your book. I've already added a book here and now I want to edit this book to show you how you can do it. First, you can see Web Course in Education, which is the name of the book, and if you like to describe your book, you can describe it here. If you like to display a description, you can click on display description on course page. For appearance, you can change a chapter, the format of chapters, whether you like to be in numbers, bullets, or indented. Common module setting, maybe you like to show it on course page or hide from students. Include in course content, download, yes. Restrict access, I don't want to add restriction. Activity completion, students can manually mark the activity as completed. I think it's okay, and then you save and display. Here you can see the contents, the chapters here, and if you like to add the chapters, new chapter, you just need to click on add new chapter after sampling or after evaluate your web course. Maybe you like to hide it, maybe you like to delete it, maybe you like to edit it, or maybe you like to move it. If I want to edit chapters, just I click on edit chapters, for example chapter 5, and you can change the title, you can add content, you can here you can add the text, audio, video, the link, pictures, and then you can save changes.